forecast, see what's ahead for us. Hope you got out for a chance to enjoy this low humidity day. But it is July. Robert's here to tell us more about that, which of course means eventually the humidity will return. How soon is that going to happen, you think?
In a day or two.
That's all, huh?
Unfortunately, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get muggy again, I think. Now, silver lining is it's going to be quite windy, which will promote a little bit more mixing of the atmosphere. So that might, the breezy conditions might make it feel not as bad as if it was just really stagnant and the air wasn't blowing around. So that's sort of a silver lining. So we look at temperatures over the next 5 days in Northwest Arkansas. Yeah, heating back up above average for the most part. As we go through the week, pretty uniform between 94, 96 degrees, overnight lows above average as well. In the River Valley, a good chance they'll get to 100, at least for one day, maybe Tuesday. We'll see about tomorrow and Wednesday as well. There might be a little bit more in the way of cloud cover those days, but still overnight lows above average as well. So some muggy conditions returning. For right now, it's not as muggy. Dew points are still in the lower 60s. The real soupy air still to our south, but that could be changing as we go through the next couple of days. As we start to get a return flow around that area of high pressure, that's going to start to push some of that more tropical air in our direction. Notice here by Tuesday morning, dew points mid to upper 60s. That's a lot more muggy. You will definitely notice that when your sweat isn't evaporating off your body as fast, because evaporation is a cooling process. And now those dew points remain on the sticky side as we go through a good part of the upcoming week. Radar right now is nice and quiet for us. We're keeping an eye on this little line of storms here as it sags its way to the south. It might clip Carroll County and Madison County if it holds together. That would be our chances for any rainfall, but all sorts of severe weather that you see there behind me, portions of Indiana and Ohio dealing with the severe weather this evening. Nice and quiet in Rogers, just a couple of clouds out there. Temperatures upper 80s to right around 90 at this hour. Cloud free in Fort Smith as well, where we're in the lower to mid 90s on this Sunday evening. Again, no problems if you want to fire up the grill, put some steaks out there or some dogs for dinner. Tonight we should mostly be quiet. You can see some of those storms fizzling out well to our north and our east. Waking up tomorrow morning, really nothing to worry about. Hot tomorrow. We could have a thunderstorm complex slide by to our north and our east. Might throw some clouds in our direction, but that won't do anything to keep temperatures in check. It's going to be a hot day tomorrow and a hot day on Tuesday once the sun comes up and starts heating everybody up. There's a look at lows tonight, 60s and 70s, and we'll rebound tomorrow. Whew, warm day, back up into the mid to, in some places, upper 90s. And there's the extended forecast, which really doesn't feature much in the way of precipitation, just temperatures well above average, but it will be breezy. So again, that'll kind of take the edge off the heat a little bit. Same thing in the River Valley. Triple-digit heat looks likely on Tuesday. Cameron's here. She's tapping her foot, waiting to bring you sports right after the break.